Hello everyone, welcome to Lavanya Technologies. Today we are going to learn about some data structure. Data structure means what? Organizing data in a sequence manner. And in a classroom, when teacher takes attendance, she goes according to the roll number. And if changes that, they process into the order. And if any changes are there, they retrieve back. Again they store in a proper order. Okay, we understood what is data structure. Now coming to, in this data structure in Python we can store in three types. Four types: list, tuple, sets, and dictionary. We can store the data in four types. Now lists, and first let us come to know about list. What are lists? Lists are ordered collection of data. Here they can be changeable. In place of Ravi, I can put Rama, and they are in indexing form. They are with starting from the whole number. Whatever the data, it is going to be in a sequence order 0, 1, 2. Okay, starts, and the last number will be the n minus 1 number. And coming to heterogeneous. And what is the meaning of heterogeneous? It is mixed type of data. Data types, different type of data types can be included inside the list. And coming to iterable. What is the meaning of iterable? It can iterate. It can iterate among all the data types. It can iterate among all the data types. Now let us learn. Now let us start. Now a list should be written in the square bracket in this way. Now I have taken a variable fruits. I have taken apple, banana, and cherry. Okay. Now see. Now when I am going to ask print type of fruits. I want to know what type did I store. What is the data type I have stored here? Print type of fruits. Then let me run this and show you. It is, the class is list. The type of fruits is list. And now just to let show me. Now I am going to print fruits. Okay. Let me print fruits. Okay. Then what? Apple, banana, and cherry. That means here fruits are going to, fruit is a variable storing the value. That means fruits are a named storage devices. Fruits are named storage location where it is going to store some value. If in case we are going to store our food grains in a container for future, that means a container is going to become here a variable, and the grains inside that are going to become the values. In the same way, fruits are the variables, and apple, banana, fruits, the word fruits is a variable, and apple, banana, cherry are the values in the fruits, variable and value. Now let print fruits. Now I am calling the variable print fruits. That means whatever the variable is holding, it is going to give the output. Now I want to know that after this. Now let me do the second method. Now I want to print the length of the fruits. Print length of fruits. Okay, now let us print the length of fruits. The length of fruits is 3. Apple, banana, and cherry. Now let me append something. Append means add. In this list I want to append one more fruit. So see here, fruits dot append. I am going to append one more fruit. Then it should be compulsory mentioned in the strings. I am going to append mango. Append means nothing but adding. I am going to append mango, and append is a function, so I am giving inside the brackets. So now I have to print fruits. Now again I am printing fruits. Print fruits. FRU, just I missed U, so FRU, print fruits. See, now inside the list, the first was apple, banana, cherry, and the length of the fruits is 3. Now say apple, banana, cherry, mango. Now let us know the length of the fruits. Now just I am going to remove before this. Okay, now I am going to remove this, Ctrl X, and let me paste here. control. Okay, now just see what is the length of the fruits. Apple, banana, cherry and mango. Now this is called as append function. Now I am going to take one more list of fruits 1 equal to, and I am going to take the same like some square brackets. Now I am going to mention here some fruits. Now let it be like cherry, and let one comma, and let one more fruit be like strawberry. Okay, enough. Now I am doing this control S. Now see, now I want to mix these fruits and fruits 1. So what to do? Now I am going with fruits dot. I want to combine fruits and fruits 1. I want to make it as a 1, fruits and fruits 1. So I am going to combine these two, add these two as a one list with the help of extend function. Just to see, fruits dot extend fruits 1, fruits dot extend fruits 1. Then I am going to print fruits now, and let us check our output. Apple, banana, cherry, mango. Apple, banana, cherry, mango, cherry, strawberry. And why did this cherry repeated 2 times? Already cherry was here. So again I took as cherry. So let me remove this, and instead of cherry let me take it as kiwi. And just run it. See, apple, banana, cherry, mango, kiwi and strawberry. And this is how we can extend, we can bind up fruits and fruit 1. Now I am going to print, now I want print fruits now I am going to take the slicing fruits 0 to 3. Okay, I am asking the slicing, control S. Just see, then you have to take same print fruits. Again just ask print fruits. Print fruits is not defined. Did you mean fruits? Okay, now I have done here spelling mistake, sorry. See, apple, banana, cherry, mango, kiwi. Okay, now I asked to print fruits. Apple, banana, cherry. Okay, up to here it's okay. Print fruits 0 to here it has given me only 3. Okay, sorry, I will show you. Okay, I asked here itself to print fruits. Okay, now in here I asked only 3, 0 to 3. That means it need to print for me apple 0 index, banana and cherry. Only fruits index it is going to print. So if I ask it to print from 0 to 5, see. Apple, banana, cherry, mango, kiwi, and it is just excluded the strawberry. Now in the same way, if I am going to ask it in the -1 negative index, let us see 0 to negative index, will it give us a proper answer? Just see, apple, banana, mango, cherry, mango, kiwi. So it from the starting again it executed the -1. Here the negative indexing starts from here. Positive index is going to start with the indexing of 0, but the negative index is going to start with -1. So -1 strawberry is executed again. Now let me remove this 0. Now let me remove this 0 and just run it. Apple, banana, cherry, mango, kiwi. Both are going to be the same. And if I take here one more indexing, control S. Okay, now I am going to take as starting, ending, indexing and -1, and this will be the absolute reverse indexing. That means for this apple, banana, cherry, mango, kiwi, strawberry, it is going to come in the reverse order. Strawberry, kiwi, mango, cherry, banana and apple. And if I am going to take print, if I am going to ask here print, or if I am going to ask here fruits dot sort, fruits dot sort. Okay, otherwise let me ask here as print fruits dot sort. Okay, now let us check. Everyone know about the sorting, ascending and descending order. So here comes none. Here it is saying that it is going to give the none. Why it is giving none? And let us check now once again. Fruits dot sort. And I am going to ask it from sort. Let me ask 0 to okay, it is showing the let us go for print fruits dot pop. I am going with the pop. What happens here? Let us check. Fruits dot pop. Print fruits dot pop is not defined idiom in fruits. Okay, something happening always with the spelling. See here, strawberry, kiwi, mango, cherry, banana and strawberry. Why this strawberry came here? Fruits dot pop. That means it has been excluded strawberry out. Meaning that if it is excluding the last one as strawberry, it has removed strawberry out from the list. So let me remove this, you will find it properly. Otherwise let me write it. Okay, let me call it once again, print fruits. If I call it now, you will identify it as control S. Okay, from apple, banana, cherry, mango, kiwi. That means it removed from this apple, banana, cherry, mango, kiwi, strawberry. It has removed the last one as pop. Pop means removing the last one. And there is also another method to remove. Now it is going to pop means it is only removing the last element. Now, but now we can remove our own. Now if I want to remove apple, I want to remove the apple, I can directly ask like print fruits dot remove apple. I can call it directly remove apple. Okay, let us check now. It is giving me none. So let us check. Fruits dot remove apple. Okay. See, banana, cherry, mango and kiwi. It has been worked. Now directly print fruits dot remove apple. Then we are going with the print fruits. In this way it is going to be added. Now I said you before that append is going to add. In the same way as remove and pop, we have append and one more called as insert. Now I want to insert. Print fruits dot insert. Now at which indexing I want to insert? In the place of apple only I want to insert one more fruit. 0, comma. Okay, in the indexing of 0, comma. Now I want to go with the another fruit. Like let me go with the jackfruit. Okay, jackfruit. Let me go with the jackfruit. and compulsory it should be with the strings. Okay. Okay, now let us print fruits. Print fruits. Run module. Okay, was never closed. See, jackfruit, banana, cherry, mango, kiwi. This is called as, this itself is called as mutable. That means changeable. I can change in the place of apple to jackfruit, jackfruit to banana. In this way I can. And heterogeneous. And I missed what is saying about, I said about changeable, indexing. Now just now I did as indexing, and heterogeneous and iterable. And iterable we will look with the integers. Now let us see what are these. What is the meaning of heterogeneous? Now I am going to take, I am going to add, I am going to append or insert. Just watch it and print fruits dot append. Fruits dot append. I am going to append 1 comma. Just I am going to append 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma, and just I am going to append. Okay, now like another 3.1, just like decimal 3.2, and no need to be a string. I want it as an integer only, just to see. Okay, now see, I am going to ask it as print fruits. And let me run the program. It was never closed. You should be little bit patient while doing. When we hurry up, errors occurs. Still I am having print fruits dot append takes exactly one argument for given. Fruits dot append 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 2 print fruits. You are going to take only one argument. Let me check. Control S. So then let me make it in this. Okay. Repeat. Control S. What's the problem? Look, it is going to take only one argument. That is. So let me put this inside the brackets and check. 2 comma 3.1. Okay. Now let me run it. Okay, 1 comma 2 comma 3.1, and in this is how we can, this is called as heterogeneous, different data types. Now here our apple, banana, cherry are called as string type of data, and 1 2 3 are called as integers type of data. 1 and 2 are called as integer type of data, and 3.1 is called as decimal type of data. And these all are been collected in the list. Okay, thank you.